नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का VaarkuShow के स्कूल बैग सीरीज के इस एपिसोड में स्वागत है। Today is a very special day, the Indian Space Day. On this day, we celebrate India's journey in space, our challenges, our achievements and our dreams for the future. India's space story began in the year 1962 when a small group of scientists led by Dr. Vikram Sarabhai started the Indian space program. They had a big dream to use space technology for national development, for communication, weather, education and helping farmers. Do you know, our first rockets were so small that parts of them were carried on bicycles and bullock carts. The first rocket was launched in 1963 from Thumba in Kerala. It was not easy. India was a poor country then. We did not have enough money or technology. Many people even questioned why spend on space when people are hungry. But our scientists believed that space technology would help solve real life problems. Of course, there were setbacks. Many launches failed, rockets exploded and satellites did not reach orbit. But each failure became a lesson and our scientists never gave up. Now let me tell you, why do we celebrate the Indian Space Day? India made history on the date of 23rd August 2023 when Chandrayaan 3's lander Vikram successfully landed on the moon. India became the first country to land in this region and only the fourth country in the world to land on the moon. This success filled every Indian with pride and the Government of India declared 23rd August as the Indian Space Day. But friends, Chandrayaan is just one part of our journey. In 1975, India launched its first satellite, Aryabhat. In 1980, we set up our own satellite, Rohini, into the orbit with an Indian rocket. Today, ISRO's rockets launch not only Indian satellites, but also satellites for many other countries. In 2013, our Mars orbiter mission, Mangalyaan, reached Mars on the very first attempt at a cost lower than some Hollywood movies. And now, ISRO is working on Gaganyaan, India's first human spaceflight program. India also believes in sharing space for humanity. We work closely with many other countries. For example, with the United States, India has built NISAR, an advanced Earth observation satellite. For our neighbors, India has built the SARC satellite to provide communication and disaster support. Through the Global South Cooperation, India is helping developing nations to use space data for agriculture and disaster warning. Many young entrepreneurs are also joining this journey. Dozens of Indian space startups are building rockets, satellites and new technologies. India is also planning its own space station by 2035 where Indian astronauts will live and do experiments in the space. Group Captain Subhanshu Shukla, just back from his successful stay at the International Space Station, represents this new era of Indian human spaceflight. So why should we care about all this? Space is not just about satellites and rockets. It's about science, teamwork and never giving up. Tomorrow's scientists, engineers, doctors and teachers, maybe one of us would become a part of ISRO and take India even beyond moon. So friends, on this Indian Space Day, let us remember the failures, struggles and ultimate triumphs of our scientists. From bicycles carrying rocket parts to Chandrayaan on the moon, this is India's space story. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. So this was today's information, and if you found our video informative, then do like the video, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share this video with your friends. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, Namaskar.